Why are men generally so much stronger than women? The short answer? Hormones are basically biological cheat codes. It all comes down to testosterone versus estrogen. Testosterone's main job is to build muscle and bone. Estrogen's main job is to store fat. It's why girls are often described as soft. That's literally the estrogen at work. Think of testosterone as the body's build mode. High T levels, you get huge, powerful muscles. It's why bodybuilders who want to get absolutely jacked will literally inject testosterone. It's also why you hear so much bad news from the pro bodybuilding world. Messing with your hormones has serious consequences.
So if hormones are the how, the next question is why? Why did evolution design us this way? It's not just humans. Look at almost any mammal. The males are bigger and stronger.
The reason is right in the name, mammal. It means we nurse our young. The female doesn't just give birth, she has to raise the baby. Pregnancy and breastfeeding take a colossal amount of energy and nutrients, so evolution made a trade-off. Muscle is an energy hog, second only to the brain. To save energy for the baby, the female genetic blueprint codes for less muscle. To make sure there's enough fuel for nursing, it codes for more fat storage. This is so critical that for most female mammals, if their body fat gets too low, their reproductive system literally shuts down. The body senses a famine and says, nope, bad time to have a kid. So in a way, female strength and size took a back seat to make room for the power of creating and nurturing life. Testosterone gives men thicker muscle fibers for strength, more muscle glycogen for explosive power, and wider shoulders to support bigger pecs, perfect for throwing things. Estrogen gives women a wider pelvis for childbirth and more body fat to fuel the next generation. You can see this in action. If a woman takes testosterone, she'll get bigger and stronger. If a man takes estrogen, he'll develop more fat in typical female patterns. It's also why men go bald. Testosterone promotes body hair but can inhibit head hair. But here's the plot twist that proves the rule, the exceptions. Meet the spotted hyena. The females are bigger, stronger, and more aggressive than the males. Why? Because female hyenas are flooded with more testosterone than the males. It's so extreme, their genitals are reshaped into a pseudo-penis. Look it up, it's absolutely bonkers. They're the dominant leaders, but it comes at a cost. A shockingly high rate of death during childbirth. Then you have moles. The females are also bigger. They have a unique organ that's part ovary, part testis, which pumps out testosterone when they aren't breeding, making them stronger than the males.
This male-female size rule is mostly a mammal thing. Why? Because non-mammals are often fire-and-forget parents. An ocean sunfish lays 300 million eggs and dips. She's done. To produce that many eggs, the female needs to be massive. So yeah, being a mammal, investing everything into raising a few high-quality offspring instead of millions of disposable ones is the evolutionary choice that led to the differences we see today. It was an upgrade in our evolutionary tree, and it shaped the very bodies we live in.